quick note to business owners about insurance that you might not have right now that, in my opinion, is probably the most important insurance to have in 2025. So when you think about most business owners, whether you have a restaurant or you have an accounting firm or whatever it is, pretty much every business owner has something called a business package policy, which covers your general liability. You probably have that because your landlord requires it. And then you have something called business personal property, which is things like this desk and the shelf behind me, or if you're a restaurant, it's going to be all of your kitchen equipment and your tables and chairs. It's all of the property inside your office or your place of business. And so there's coverage for that in the event it burns up in a fire or if somebody breaks in and steals that property. Realistically, in 2025, if somebody breaks into your business, assuming you're not like a jeweler or something like that, they're probably not after your laptops or your restaurant equipment. That just doesn't happen as often anymore. And if somebody does break in to steal that stuff, sure, it would be a loss, but it's probably not the type of loss that's going to totally destroy and bankrupt your business. However, if somebody breaks into your bank account and is able to get a hold of the money within your business, that could put you out of business. And as you might know, as a business owner, if somebody gets into your bank account, depending on how it happens, you don't have as many protections as somebody who's an individual consumer. Businesses are typically held to a higher standard when it comes to keeping folks and confidential data out of the hands of others. So when it comes to somebody breaking into your bank account, when it comes to somebody hacking into your server and maybe holding your information ransom, getting your customer information, or when it comes to your employees being tricked into wiring money somewhere, tricked into buying gift cards, tricked into paying a vendor that doesn't exist, all of these things fall under something called cyber insurance. And with cyber insurance, it covers really anything related to financial costs that you have related to a computer, which obviously is going to be relevant for everybody. And it's the type of claim that we're seeing more and more often. And outside of a cyber policy, you probably have little or no coverage for it currently. So this is definitely something you really want to pay attention to. A cyber insurance policy is not expensive. There's a lot of insurance companies competing for the business. The lowest rates start typically right now at $500 or $600 a year, which is really affordable, and they go up from there. So definitely something you want to ask your insurance agent about, just to make sure you have that coverage that you can sleep well at night and not have your business be one that goes out of business because of a hacker or someone along those lines. So I hope you found that helpful, and have a great rest of the day. Thank you.